Hello, this is KRWBIN and welcome to KRWBIN. Have you ever wondered how many different types of crochet hair is available on the market? Well, this video is going to show you different hair types, different hair textures, different hair lengths, and different hair colors of crochet hair. So you're not limited to just the hair that you see on one or two videos online. You can see all the wondrous styles. See the wrap and lock here? This is where you can actually twist this onto your natural hair and you don't have to have a crochet hook. For the rest of these styles, you can have wavy hair, locked hair. This is called gorgeous locks. Look at the lengths. So these lengths come in a variety between 18, 20, 24, 26, 28, and 30. There are some shorter lengths in the 14 and the 12 and the 8s, but this video will show most of the longer styles. Look at this. You can even get gray locks if you like. See, you have the lock style for the length and then the curly ends. So yes, this was like one of my hair stores that I attend that has the largest variety of crochet hair. And see, these are styles if you want the crochet look without actually having the braids or locks. Look at that wave pattern. These are perfect for any type of weather. Oh, look at the bomb twist. Yeah. See, my daughters like the bomb twist because they like that lock look, but then they like the curly ends. And that's the butterfly passion twist. Those are the bomb. Now, if you want to create your own afro, these crochets give a human hair feel to your afro, but they're crochets, so it makes it easy to create. These are your gypsy locks, and these are the shorter lengths, so this is in 12 inches. And you even have blonde right here. So yes, these are all the different styles. These are the famous butterfly locks, or the fairy butterfly locks that everyone is talking about. So you can see that you can create any type of look that you like. Oh, here's the box braids. So yes, if you are into the box braids, but you don't know how to braid, you can just crochet them in. And here we are. These are the river locks. See how it gives you the lock look, but it's already waved throughout the lock. And once again, we have gray hair for your clients that have gray hair. And these are the Dominican curl. So this is going to give you like that curly body look when you're out and about. These are the pre-curled twists. You can wear them how they're twisted, or you can loosen up the twist to give you more volume in your hair. These are some more of the Dominican curls. And see how it comes in different colors. Look at that pop of red. Woo! See, you can even do blue for Mardi Gras. But yes, get into this. Here are the Trini locks. These are wonderful. Yes, get into it. Get into it. Look at the water wave. Oh, look at the kinky. So this is a beautiful style if you want to have that your kinky look, but you don't want it to be such an afro. You want it to actually be in a style. So we have the passion twist, the 3D passions twist. That's a 12-inch length there. 12 inches. That way you can have that shoulder length style. Look at this. Get into it. Get into it. 14 inches. The two-tone ombre look. Bohemian curl. Look at this. Look at this. Just such a wide variety of styles. Here's your water wave and a 613. Look at all the different colors. So this is also 14-inch. So there's so many more styles. Look at the bomb twist. Now this is one of my favorite, the bomb twist. So there are so many different crochet styles that you can wear, so you're not just limited to one style that you might see in a video online. There are different colors. Now this is a box braid and passion twist. So the top part is box braided and the bottom part is a passion twist. And that's also an ombre two-tone. Look at there. There's some yellow if you just feeling yellow today. But yes, ooh, look at these passion twists. 24, that's a burgundy, 1B burgundy. So it's a black and burgundy mix. Then we're here in the 2X curly, the curly 3B.